I'm here to tell some Thanksgiving jokes. Hey, Justin, how do you tell the difference between a chicken and a turkey?
I don't know.
Chickens celebrate Thanksgiving. We don't. Why did the cranberry sauce blush? Because it saw the turkey dressing. Did you hear about the turkey that plays baseball?
Hear about the turkey who plays baseball.
3 days later.
No.
He covers first base. What did the ocean say when it saw the Mayflower crossing?
Howdy, Pilgrim.
Nothing, it waved. Has waves. Did you guys hear about the rude turkey? It was a jerky. Hey, Brad.
Yeah.
What did Dad say when he was asked to say grace?
I don't know what.
Grace. Hey, Charlie.
Hey, what?
What did Han Solo say to Luke Skywalker on Thanksgiving?
What?
May the forks be with you.
Nice.
Hi, Sue and Jody. What do you call a sad cranberry?
Blueberry?
Yeah. Wow. What was the turkey suspected of by the police?
Armed gobblery.
Foul play. What do you call a running turkey, Nikki?
A gobbler? I don't know.
Fast food.
Oh my god.
What did the turkey say to the hunter on Thanksgiving Day?
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Quack, quack. What side of the turkey has the most feathers?
The undercarriage.
No, the outside.
Outside of what?
The turkey. What sound does a turkey's cell phone make?
Yodeling?
Wing, wing. What would you get if you crossed a turkey and a ghost?
I don't know.
A poultrygeist. Why don't grapes go on sale for Black Friday?
Why?
They keep raising the prices. I wanted to go to some different shopping centers for Black Friday, but once you've been to one shopping center, you've seen them all. Hi, Dylan. Why did the turkey cross the road twice?
Why?
To prove he wasn't chicken. Did you hear about the scarecrow who won an award?
No.
It was outstanding in its field. Sweet potatoes, where to bed?
Sweet potatoes in bed.
Yammies.
Foul.
Stop.